Hello everyone. Today we'll be starting with the next topic, and that is the medicinal plant, and that is poppy, Papaver somniferum. So let me tell you about poppy. It is a flowering plant of family Papaveraceae and it is native to Turkey. Opium, morphine, codeine and heroin all derived from the milky latex found in its unripe seed capsule. Here is the seed capsule of poppy. It encloses the seeds inside it, and when it is unripe, when it is unripe and when it is incised, means it's cut, it exudes a milky latex from which opium, morphine, codeine, heroin, these all drugs are obtained. I hope this is clear. Now coming to its scientific classification. Kingdom is Plantae, order is Ranunculales, family is Papaveraceae, and genus is Papaver, and species is Somniferum. Now further, it's also grown for its tiny non-narcotic ripe seeds. Besides the narcotic substances it gives like heroin, opium, codeine, it also is cultivated for the tiny non-narcotic ripe seeds. Its seeds are edible and they are used in bakery products, for seasoning and for oil also. Here are the seeds of this poppy, and these are the seeds of white poppy, and when examined, or you can say when they are magnified, they appear to be kidney shaped or bean shaped. I hope this is clear. Now let me tell you about the plant, description of the plant. The opium poppy is an annual plant and can reach about 1 to 5 meters tall. It has lobed or toothed silver green foliage. Here you can see it can go up to a height of 1 to 5 meters, and it has lobed. Here you can see the leaves are lobed and they are toothed at the edges. Fine. And the foliage appears silver green. This foliage does not appear simply green, it appears silver green, and it bears blue purple flowers or white flowers which can be 13 centimeter wide. Here is the flower of this poppy plant. Other hybrid varieties of the poppy are like red poppy is there. Red poppy is usually wild. The seeds are borne in a spherical capsule topped by a disc formed by the stigmas of the flower. Here you see, when the flower petals drop off, when they fall off, what happens? This capsule remains, and at the top of this capsule, the stigmas form a spherical disc. The stigmas remain as such and form a spherical disc on top of this capsule. It's this capsule which gives the milky latex from which the opium and other opiates are obtained. Now, what is opium? It is a narcotic drug that is obtained from the unripe seed pods of the opium. Opium is obtained by slightly incising the seed capsules of the poppy after the plant's flower petals have fallen. The slit seed pods exude a milky latex that coagulates. Here what is done, when it is unripe, it's not fully ripe, the seeds are not formed initially. What happens, it's incised and the milky latex exudes, and this milky latex later on it coagulates. When it comes in contact with the air, it coagulates and turns into gum like brown mass. Fine, brown mass, and that mass is called as opium. Here is the raw opium. This may be ground into powder, sold as lumps, cakes or bricks, or treated further to obtain derivatives such as morphine, codeine and heroin. Opium and the drugs obtained from it are called as opiates. I hope this is clear to you. This is the picture of the raw opium. Now let me tell you the physiological actions of opiates. Opiates, for example, morphine, codeine, etc., exert their main effects on the brain and spinal cord. Their principal action is to relieve or suppress pain. That is why they are used as antidepressants. The drugs also alleviate anxiety, induce relaxation, drowsiness, and sedation, and may impart a state of euphoria or enhanced mood. Opiates also have important physiological effects, that is, they slow down the respiration and heartbeat. Now let me tell you, opiates are addictive drugs. When one consumes these opiates, the person becomes dependent on these opiates. So you can say these are the addictive drugs. With the chronic use, the body develops a tolerance to opiates, so that progressively larger doses are needed to achieve the same effect. The higher opiates, such as heroin and morphine, are more addictive than opium or codeine. Opiates are classified as narcotics because they relieve pain, induce torpor and sleep, and produce addiction. The habitual use of opium produces physical and mental deterioration and shortens life. So, let me tell you, if an overdose of opium is taken, it causes respiratory depression and which can be fatal to the human being. So, this is all about the opium. I hope this is clear. And if there are any comments, please let me know. Thank you.